How to fix mobile data not working on Android. Firstly, make sure that your mobile data is turned on. If it's turned on and it's not working, then try turning on and off your airplane mode. Turn on your airplane mode and again turn it off after some times. This refreshes your network connection. After this, just give your device a quick restart. Sometimes simple restart often resolves temporary network glitches. Now check for your APN settings. Go to Settings and click on Connections. Then go to Mobile Networks. Here you will see access point names. Click on that. Check if all the access point names matches your carrier settings. Now go back to the connection page. Again, select the mobile network option. Then go to network mode. Switch between 5G, LTE and 3G to see if that helps. You can also test SIM in another phone. If the mobile data works on another phone, issue is with your phone settings. If it doesn't work on another phone, then the issue is with your SIM or carrier. That's all for today. Thank you.